everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I'm showing you how I created this blue smoky eyeshadow look. I think it really complements this red hair of mine that I'm going to be keeping for a month, and then I'm going to go back to my natural looking color, I think. But yeah, if you want to see what I did and what I used and how I used them, then just keep on watching. But before I get into this tutorial, I do want to say don't forget about that giveaway that I have going on right now. You have 2 more days after this video is posted to enter that giveaway. It's a collaboration giveaway with DD5 and Debra, and I will have the video card right here in the corner of the screen, and I will also have it in my description box below and at an end card at the end of this video. Yeah, there's going to be 3 giveaway prizes, actually 4 giveaway prizes with our 3 channels. Debra's gonna do 2, DD5's gonna do 1, and I'm doing 1. I have $100 worth of makeup product on mine. Don't forget to enter up. So the first thing I'm starting off with is my trusted Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the color Eden, and I'm just going to prime my eyelids with that. And then I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Cali Contour Palette, and I'm going to use this bronzer slash contour shade just to use as a transition shade for my eyeshadow look, just to set a base down basically. Then I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to firstly use this almost like a matte navy blue looking shade right here, and I'm going to go on the outer V of it and also down on the corner of that lower lash line. And then I'm going in with this lighter blue shade, more like a royal blue shade. It's also kind of matte, and I'm going to pack this on in the center of my lid. Then I'm going to kind of do a cut crease on the inner corner of my eye with this Makeup Revolution concealer. Then I'm going back in with the BH Cosmetics, and I'm using this, it's like a matte but also kind of a shimmer cream looking color or ivory looking color, and I'm putting that on the inner corner on top of that concealer. Then I'm going back in with that royal blue shade, and I packed it on the center of the eye, and I also put it on the inner corner of the lower lash line. Then I'm cleaning up with my vitamin C collagen wipes, and then I'm using my Smashbox Always Sharp eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to line my lower line with that. And then I'm going in with the Milani eyeliner, eyeliner pencil or felt tip, whatever. I'm doing a little cat eye with it. And then I'm going in with my CoverGirl Total Tease mascara, and I'm coating my lashes with that. After that, I'm going in with my LA Colors Dolly False Lashes, and I will be using ARDELL Lash Glue. And after my eyes are done, I'm going in with a Smashbox Primerizer to prime my face. After that, I'm using my Smashbox Foundation as my foundation. I'm going to conceal my eyes with that same Makeup Revolution concealer. Then going in with the Virginic face powder that I got from Angela's giveaway. Her channel link is listed in my description box below. And I'm just setting under the eyes and setting the whole face with that powder. Back in with the Smashbox Cali Contour Palette, and I'm using that same shade I used on my eyes, and I'm going to bronze up my face with that. Then I'm going to use this blush color from the same palette. as my blush. Back in with the same palette, and I'm going to use this highlighter shade in it. This is a very nice subtle highlight, but you still see it. It just gives a very natural look and glow. I really love it. Then I'm going in with my NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm going to do my eyebrows with it. Now I'm going to use my favorite lip gloss that I've almost used up, and it's the BAREMINERALS Groovy Gloss. Then I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Crystal Clarity Primer Water, and this is the scent Lavender and Sweet Orange. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed it. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget about that giveaway that's going on right now. I do giveaways every month, so all you have to do is wait for the next one if you're late for the one that's currently going on right now when I'm posting this. Yeah, no biggie. I do them every month, so yeah, you can just enter the one that is currently up. Yeah, you can just check out the most recent videos and find out what the current giveaway video is, and yeah, enter that one. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye.